Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to give your images vector look using Photoshop. First install the action, link given in the description. After installing, open Photoshop and import the image. Go to Windows and click Actions. Select your action. Click the Start button and follow the steps. After completing the steps, you can see your vector images is ready. You can also make some adjustment. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I snap for more photography tutorials. See you next time. Have a great day.